Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto. Right. Sorry about that. Just had to readjust something. There we go. Extreme Crypto. We're all back and ready to go. Sorry for the delay, sorry for being late, but it's been a hectic day, a real blue Monday. How you doing, Ashan? How you doing, Redmond? How you doing, Admin? How's things going at your side? It's been hectic, trying to get all my orders and everything in place. I've started in the meanwhile, but I'll run through some of them, well, probably all of them, but still have quite a few of my BTC trades I need to adjust and get in place. I finished the USDT pairs, so at the end we can just run through them and see what the current status are. So let's go with Atom and we'll go through it. Litecoin is on the list. We'll probably get down to Litecoin and see what's happening with it, where it's going to go, and the possibilities. Crypto currently is very unpredictable and analyst is not the key word currently. But let's go. Let's DCA and try and make some profits. So I'm currently busy with Atom or Cosmos. So let's build forward. Drop questions, let's chat while we go about it, and let's see where we end the day on. Hectic times out there in the markets. Who's panicking? Did anyone panic sell? Well, if you did panic sell, I hope you sold at least to a stable coin and you sold early. I'm not selling. I'm willing to hold for the long run because I still believe crypto is going to move up. I think it's a good buy. Just make sure to put in a take profit on that trade unless you're going to hold it for the long run. So you know if the market goes up or reach the target you would like to take profit, you're capitalizing on it. See, so Atom is in place. As you can see, there's a white line that's not particular. The reason for the white line is there would have been a buy limit order right here, but due to the volatility in the market, I'm skipping the closest buy orders and just expanding my range a little bit until we consolidate or at least get out of this volatility, because the market currently doesn't know where it wants to go. How are you doing, Success Pro? How's things going your side? What a market we're seeing. See, AVAX. So a lot of uncertainty in the markets. And with Celsius, while people saying they're going the same route as Luna, it's causing another sell-off. So a lot of portfolios will be down today, but if you're in for the long run, I see, not financial advice, I see profits in the future. It all depends who's going to be able to hold and who's going to panic sell. Buy limit for AVAX is in place. All we need to do is get back. I think I didn't set my alerts on Cosmos or Item. So I'll just go back there and double check them. Yes, I didn't. Let's just reset my alerts here. I know what the market is doing. That one is alright. This one I need to readjust. So the charts is looking a little bit different than usual with the white lines in between, but it's basically a precaution for these big kind of dumps we're seeing in the market. AVAX we've set up and that's in place. BNB I think didn't really move. Let's just make sure. BNB did lose value in the dollar value, but in the Bitcoin value it just basically moved sideways. See 0089, that's right. Alright, what did happen with BNB? BNB gave us profit on 99. Yes, indeed. So we're gonna do that. This was our latest entry point. BNB. This line is becoming a white line. And that's going to be our next entry. 9359, yes. And 8913 is going to be our next buy limit order for BNB. Here we go. So BNB is in place. How are you doing, AS? How's things going your side? We had quite a market this weekend. Little Dodge. Let's see what's happening with Dogecoin. Dodge 249 triggered, 264 is our profit. So we can just do this. That's our latest entry. Gonna clone, and that line is gonna be a white line. S264 S264. Then we get the white line. Are you doing amazing? Now the white line, and then we'll enter our buy limit order. Dodges in place. Been doing any trading, or you just popping in to say hi? Dodges perfectly. I'm good, amazing. We're getting close to Litecoin, then I'll try and give you a spot to look at. Tell me something, are you trading Litecoin USD or you trading Litecoin Bitcoin? Which pair of Litecoin are you looking at? So our dot trade is quite nicely in profit, getting close to 5%. Anyone in on the dot trade? There's an opportunity for profit if you want to take some early. Rearranging. Setting up dot. So we're moving down the list to finish up, getting closer. And some of our trades are rebounding really nicely towards some profits. Got this back in place. Ethereum. What is Ethereum doing? Giving us a bit of trouble. How low can Ethereum go? That's the question. After I finish the BTC pairs, I'll go to the USDT pairs for Litecoin and for Ethereum. I know as Sean asked for Ethereum earlier, and Ahmed, you've asked for Litecoin. So let me finish setting these up and getting them in place, and then we'll sort them and see what we can see or what kind of ranges is possible. $5127. Is that the trigger? We'll get the white line up there. This will become our take profit line. This is our latest entry. Before we get to that, readjust them. Put our trade in for BTC, Ethereum. There we go, our Ethereum trade is in place. Just adjusting the alerts for it. So Ethereum is sorted in place. Leave me your thoughts in the chat. What are you guys thinking? What's going to happen in the markets? Which way is crypto going? Are we going to see opportunities? Is there trouble in all markets, stock and crypto? Looking at this Ethereum trade, it seems like we're hitting some decent profits. I'm just going to add an additional line. We did this entry, meaning this is going to be our take profit on that entry. So moving close to our entry on, or a profit on Litecoin, let's just see how much profit we have on that trade currently. So that trade is up 3.9% profit currently. Good opportunity to take profit if you want to. If you don't want to wait for my take profit set. You are. Litecoin is in place. We're just going to adjust the alerts. So Litecoin is sorted. The last 5, and then all our trades will be back in place, back up and running, and creating us opportunities. Looking at Matic. Where is Matic? So Matic 1926.207. So that's gonna be 1926. That's gonna be our profit taking. This is our latest entry. This will be our next entry. The Matic is about ready. Just gonna set our alerts for Matic. There we are. Matic is sorted. So we're building towards the end, near protocol. Dead trigger, and we're up in profits. Let's see where we're standing with our near trade. Near is up 4.6%. If anyone wants to take profit early. Getting close to that profit line of ours. We'll set our new buy limit, set our alerts, and we sort it on a near trade. Buy limit is in. So if anyone wants to look at Liberium Crypto, you can see all the trades happening on Liberium Crypto. The link is pinned. And also look at KuCoin. The easiest exchange to use, People's Exchange. I do like setting my trades through KuCoin, and they got additional opportunities, which makes a huge difference as well. Nearest in place, Solana. A lot of our BTC pairs are currently in profit, which is really good. in Solana. Here we are. Just going to put our Solana trade. Alerts, get them sorted. Looking XRP. Doesn't look like XRP did anything. Let's just make sure. Our entry 1235. Take profit 1377. So XRP didn't move much. It is in profit and there's currently 2% profit on this trade. Looking at Tron. Tron gave us profits and hit Amazon. Our stock trade just hit. So let's see where we're standing with Tron. Tron, we got 3 open trades and one of them is 5.46% up. So let's see, Tron, 3 trades. It went up, hit profit and came back down. So let's see, 283 is going to be our next profit. 295 and 306. So all we need to do on Tron is add our buy limit order again. 256. Our buy limit order. $256 and a profit on that. Just gonna double check our amount of trades. So all our trades is back in place and sorted. We're gonna run through our USD pair. As you can see, the markets is getting slammed. Tron down 17%. Quite a few of them down. So just to give you an indication what I've been doing. The white lines is no trade zones. The market's starting to move again. And I've created quite a few no trade zones or bigger zones due to the volatility in the markets. As we can see, the white lines is no trade zones. So if the market drops beyond that, our yellow line is going to be our new entries. So looking at Ethereum first. Now this is quite a hectic one. Due to the fact of the massive drop, it's hard to say where it can go or what it can do. So let's take our Fibonacci, put them at the top where it all started to the bottom. And let's just add color so everyone can see where it is. So as you can see, Fibonacci is our current color lines. Best opportunity currently, it might go back to close to $1,500. But if it falls through here, we can see it go as low as $600. If I'm in Ethereum and I'm just got in, I might take some profits, but it might bounce up and move towards our previous targets. What I'm doing is I'm doing my normal trades like I always doing. I'm just skipping a trade here and there to create opportunity for myself. So we are in free falling. The markets are hectic. We don't know which way it might go, but the opportunities to get in cheaper is in the air. Looking at Litecoin, standing at 42.80, and you just bought at 41.50. Looking at this, I'll recommend taking profit, small profit, yes, or put yourself a sell limit order for a decent amount of profit you would like to take over the long run. Otherwise, just take profit and DCA in smaller amounts if the market keeps on dropping more. Any thoughts, concerns, or questions before we finish up this live stream? Yet again, remember the links is in the pinned message. Look at Liberium Crypto, look at KuCoin. I will be dropping a video on KuCoin shortly about something interesting you can get into now, which create opportunity for when the markets go back up. And remember, if you haven't yet, smash that like button. Have a good evening, and I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully on time this time, as we build the future together. Take care, everyone. Have a great one.